The judge overseeing the case of accused killer Karen Read is telling her team to be ready to talk about possible issues with some of their expert witnesses. The witnesses are from a firm called ARCA. And in Read's first trial, they testified that the damage to Read's SUV and injuries to her boyfriend, John O'Keefe, were not consistent with a crash. And at the time, Read's team described the witnesses as independent. Here's that exchange from court last June.
These experts did not arise from us.
I understand that.
These experts were hired by the federal government, and they provided a report to us pursuant to the TUI request, and it was specifically outlined that and ruled that they could not prep with us for trial.
So I'm to believe that the defense is calling 3 witnesses that you've never spoken to and putting them on the stand here
That's essentially it. We've spoken to them only for the purposes of coordination of their testimony and their background. That's it.
Well, this week, the special prosecutor argued that discovery material did reveal communication between the witnesses and the defense, and that ARCA sent a bill to Read's defense team for nearly $24,000.
That's not trial by ambush. That's getting duped. I don't care if the ARCA witnesses testify at trial. I don't care about their opinions, but I care that it's unfair, imbalanced, and hidden. And the Commonwealth, like the defense, is entitled to discovery.
Paper number.
Well, it was right after that Judge Cannoni called a recess, then ended the hearing, saying she had grave concerns. The hearing continues next week.